big timetable changes and what it was December.
December? What do you mean what timetable changes?
We had 3 trains to sort of
Oh, okay, cool. That's the front train.
to Newcastle these days.
Alright, Mark. Nice social departure from Peterborough train station.
It's supposed to be an hour and
Just tell me what level
4 hours and
forecast
10
you
minutes
got.
from
It's all
Edinburgh
right,
to King's Cross.
Let's see, Mark. Dynamite
Well, that's
distance.
the plan, isn't it?
It's approximately 2:19 PM. I think now it's 2:19 PM. That is literally October the 4th. Friday afternoon, but it's winding time. Travel on the train right now. These skies, Michelle and Sanchez on YouTube.
Hello, and welcome on board this LNER Azuma to Edinburgh Waverley. We will call at Newark Northgate, Doncaster, York, Northallerton, Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, Morpeth, Alnmouth, and Edinburgh Waverley. The next station will be Newark Northgate.
CCTV is in operation on this service for your safety and security. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to our onboard team or text British Transport Police on
Squash
61016.
out. Sun's
We'll
out, isn't
sort it. See it, say it, sort it.